everyone. In my last video, I made this chimichurri. So this is what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna take this beautiful ribeye steak and some creamy sweet corn I made, and I'm going to make this delicious dish. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to take some of my chimichurri and just lay this down. Okay, let's spread this down, just down the sides. I unclump it so you kind of get it. Okay, now I'm gonna lay down some of my steak. So I trimmed off most of the fat for this, so I'm just gonna lay it down like this. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of move this a little over here so I get a little bit more space for my steak. Okay, so done with this. So now I'm going to take a little bit of the street corn and just kind of put a little bit of little piles like around the steak. Let's add a little bit more. Now don't worry if you make a couple little errors. We're gonna fix that later. So you might see a little bit of like street corn residue or some cream. Just let that go for now. We'll fix that later. So I make them about equal sizes. So I'm gonna adjust this little one, this little cluster. Okay, this looks pretty good. So let's add one more. Okay, now I'm just gonna add a little bit of the chimichurri, kind of like, so you put this all around. Okay, there we go. So now I'm just gonna kind of adjust some of these little juices, get rid of all of that. Frustrating. Okay, this looks pretty good. Move this. Okay, let's get rid of this and we're done. Thank you for watching.